Hello everyone, welcome back to English class. We are discussing the poem Lines Written in Early Spring. It was written by William Wordsworth. Let's know more about the poem. The poem is composed in 6 quatrains, that is, 6 stanzas of 4 lines. The rhyme scheme is AB AB. You know the poetic device personification. Giving human qualities to a non-human thing is called personification. Let's see some examples of personification from this poem. To her fair work did nature link the human soul that through me ran. Here, the poet considers nature as mother or a woman. He personifies the nature in this line. So this is an example of personification. And it's my faith that every flower enjoys the air it breathes. Here, the poet personifies the flower by saying that the flower enjoys the air it breathes. Enjoys and breathes are human quality. So this is another example of personification. The budding twigs spread out their fan to catch the breezy air. Here, the budding twigs are growing and reaching out for what they need to survive. They are also reaching out to happiness. The twigs are not merely alive but enjoy life. Thus, the poet personifies the budding twigs. This is also an example of personification. Next one, if such be nature's holy plan. In this line, the poet personifies the nature by saying that the nature has the ability to plan everything. Next poetic device is hyperbole. It is an exaggerated statement. The purpose of hyperbole is to create a larger-than-life effect and overly stress a specific point. I heard 1,000 blended notes is an example of hyperbole. The poet tries to exaggerate the various sounds from nature that the poet heard using the expression 1,000 blended notes. Next one is alliteration. The use of same beginning consonant sounds in a line or verse is called alliteration. In the line what man has made of man, the initial consonant sound m is repeating. So this is an example of alliteration. Try to find out more examples of alliteration from the poem. Next, see the visual images in the poem. You know what is visual images? Images that describes what we see. Sitting in a grove, the birds around me hopped and played, primrose tufts, the budding twigs, etc. are examples of visual images. Next one, it is auditory images. Auditory image describes what we hear. For example, I heard 1,000 blended notes is an example of auditory image. That's all for today. Thank you.